Morning students, this is class 9th and after the examination we are going to start the new chapter, that is triangle. Okay, chapter 7. The very first which is coming in my mind, that is congruence. So let's start. Congruence. What is the meaning of congruence? Listen carefully. If two geometrical figures are exactly same in shape and size, so it is said to be congruent. It means we can write, if two geometrical figures are exactly same in shape and size, so it is said to be said to be congruence. Okay, for example, and what is the symbol of congruency? Symbol of congruency. When you will, symbol of congruency is this. Okay, if you will put this symbol between any two geometrical figure, like this is the circles, no, both are the circles. If we will put here this symbol, it means both the figure are congruent to each other, means both the figures are exactly same in shape and size. Okay, so now we understand what is congruence. Two geometrical figures are said to be congruent if they are exactly same in shape and size. Okay, similarly, congruency of line. Suppose there are two lines given, say AB of 10 centimeter and BC is also, or CD is also 10 centimeter. Okay, 10 centimeter. So how can you represent the congruency between both of them? You can write here congruence of lines. If two lines are congruent, so definitely they are equal in length. Okay, if two line segment are equal in length, so it is said to be congruent. Okay, congruent. So how can we represent it? Line segment AB is congruent to line segment CD. Okay, now here we use congruency symbol. Similarly, how can we understand the congruency of angles or congruent angle? What is the meaning of congruent angle? It means if the measure of two angles are equal. Okay, if the measure of two angles are equal, so both the angle are congruent. Both the angles are congruent to each other. Congruent to each other. It means, suppose if we will make this angle like 60 degree, angle ABC, and another angle X, Y and Z. The measure of this angle is also 60 degree. Now both the angles are congruent. How can we write? We can write measure of angle ABC is congruent to measure of angle XYZ. Okay. So like this we can compare any two figure by the measurement, by the length and by another properties. Okay. So again I want to repeat the meaning of congruency. Okay, from two geometrical figures, if one of them are superposed to another, so both are congruent. Superposed means what? It means if one figure completely covered to other figure and other is also completely covered to first figure, so both the figures are congruent. Okay. Now congruence triangle. What is the meaning of congruent triangle? As you know, there are many things in triangles. When we will observe the triangle carefully, we will get many things like vertices, sides and angles. Okay, if you will consider this figure, this triangle ABC, so you will get some parts of this triangle like vertices. How many vertices are there? 3 vertices, A, B, C. Then sides AB, BC, CD. Then angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. So there are 9 parts we are getting from this figure, we are observing, but we will consider mostly side and angle. If you will consider side and angle, so there are 6 parts whenever we will observe any triangle. So what is the congruent of triangle? Our question is this. Congruent triangles. Listen carefully. If two triangles are equal in shape and size, or if from two triangles, if one triangle is superposed to another, so it is said to be congruent. Okay. From two triangles, if one triangle, if one triangle is superposed to other, so triangles are congruent. So triangles are congruent. Okay, congruent. Like suppose if we will consider two triangles A, B, C and D, E, F. Okay, if you will choose any one triangle and put on another, if first triangle is completely covered to another triangle, so it is said to be both the triangles are congruent. Vice versa also must be satisfied. Vice versa means what? इसका अपोजिट भी इसको संतुष्ट करना चाहिए. It means if you will consider a triangle ABC and you will put this triangle on DEF, then ABC completely covered to DEF. So both the triangle are congruent. Okay. So I hope in today's lecture you understood or you understand the meaning of congruent and the meaning of congruent of line, congruent of triangle, congruent of angles, etc. Thank you for watching.